Fine.
So how was your meeting with Isoma?
It went well. Good news. She agreed.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You don't know how happy I am. Thank you. So what is the plan?
The plan is that you guys need to see and talk.
Yes.
Then you will get to know her, she'll get to know you. Then we'll start on the necessary plan.
That means you take me to her place, right?
Yes, now. I will take you to her place.
When now? Can you?
When? When? Please, come and give me a drink.
I'm so happy.
Isiama.
Papa.
You know, Ishinkotonko is heavy if the neck is not strong. What Tochi said is good. Amakwam noge gosege uzojo. But before I say anything, you have to see this man in the koro. Because there is a difference between sleep and rest. What we are talking about is marriage. It is a lifetime union. So you have to see this man, relate with him, know his strengths and his weaknesses, know his general attitude to life, and ensure that you are compatible. That compatibility is very important in marriage. Very, very important. It is only then that I can give my fatherly consent. Mrs. Oh.
Compa.
So, a good dance starts from a gong. So, you have to wear the compatibility. Because two of you have to be compatible before you go into marriage.
All right, Papa. Let's go, you go.
Don't you want them all? My father didn't say anything. He said he has nothing to say till he sees the young man. So when are you people coming? In that case, I'll inform my parents. Alright, take care of yourself. And greet my husband to be for me. Oh? Bye bye. Hey. Mama, hey. Hey, Mama, list. I wrote everything I'm going to buy in the market. So I wanted to check and know if I omitted some things.
Why are you in a hurry? These people are coming tomorrow afternoon. You have the morning, tomorrow morning to go and buy these things, because
Mama,
then I will check your list.
Mama, I got a raw. I want to go to the market this evening to make sure that everything is ready. Moreover, once they see that you're in a hurry, maybe don't misbehave. So check. Oh, if you go in
here, Ogilisia, Jebe, Otaziku.
Here.
I'm going to check the list.
Let me write those ones and rush to the market.
Make sure you come back on time.
Yes, Mama.
Achalugo ma. Ogologo de. No. Hey. Imakasi. It is going si no nwa. Hey. Ogologo de. Hey, Imakasi.
Hello. You're welcome.
No. Kekime. No.
Let's go.
Yes.
Papa, you are looking beautiful.
Oh, hear them marry, Thank you, my son. You're welcome.
But I am not happy that you did not eat my food. No, you think that I don't know how to cook? And me sikwancha. And listen, if you had eaten it next time, you was on. Okay. So what?
You said your name is Nzubo Koli. From where?
From Obuduko village.
The Koli we know is from Agwata. Obiokoli.
Obiokoli, come on,
from Agwata. Yes. What of your parents?
It's a pity, sir. They are late.
Sorry,
no?
It's okay. God knows best.
Yes, my dear. But where do you live and what do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman. I live in Enugu.
Jesus.
I run a business enterprise of my own.
So in a Hatana's you must be a hard-working man.
Yes.
You're welcome once again. Yes.
Just excuse me. Can you?
Yes.
You're exceptionally great.
Thank you.
And I've heard a lot of good things about you.
Same here.
You see, from the first day I saw your picture, my heart welcomed you. Even before today, I've dreamed about you. And I have fallen in love with you from a distance. See, I really meant my word, and I mean well. I just need you to give me a chance to prove my love to you.
I've given you all the chances in the world. Show me the love. Yes. You're very handsome.
Thank you.
And your car is fine. Welcome.
Papa.
Yes.
Mama. Thanks for the hospitality.
Oh, it's okay, my dear.
I appreciate it.
It's our pleasure.
It's a pleasure, honestly.
Mama, Papa, let's be on our way. It's getting late.
Oh.
It's really getting late. And when you get home, greet your husband for me. See, I'm not a coquan no de belonu.
Mama.
Greet everybody for me.
No problem.
Hey, Amoronye Nego.
Hey, Kerry Casino. Atobarokwa. It is sure.
Thank you very much.
Akunesio Bike.
Nam.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Be safe, okay?
Well, from where now one uzo. Sifana bani kisi. Hey.
Go, Papa, Mama, nekwego. Nekwanego.
Ekenanya.
Menyelo na akago. Let me be fast.
Ega sekwa. Ebe. Akunesio Bike. Amuronye
20,000.
Amuronye Nego.
Papa, how much is your own?
Don't worry. Don't worry.
I wasn't expecting this.
Hey!
Don't worry.
Papa. Mama, una afugonian. Oh, kwa mbo no na kwa emo kunike. It's a girl married. It's a girl married. All your mates are all married. You still no tell. Cool down. Now pick up. Now. I want to pick something.
Yeah.
If I want to pick something,
Because if I am dreaming, nobody should wake me up.
Hey.
What can
Come to the bedroom.
I am going straight to the bank. If I keep this thing in the room, more to come. I'm going to go like. I will Chai. What's it come? Hey, happy tagum something. Bank, major bank notes. I need to open a new account.
Okay.
Which one now? I need them to come and market me.
My sisters, that was how it happened.
Yeah? That was how it happened.
Yes, so.
Hey!
If you see my Nzube, Unufun Zubem. Hey! Hey! If you see his cute eyes, cause on ya. Hey! I think you can get like Chabia. Even one guy had that kissing, Cause Mwoke, Mwoke is flowing in money.
Hey!
He's the ideal definition of Isioma's husband.
Hey!
Nyana ma pita gife.
Hey!
Pichi come!
Easy, baby! Hey! Now, why you're so happy like with the whole thing?
Yeah,
I'm
so
happy for you.
I'm happy for myself, I thank
So,
God.
finally, God has answered all your prayers.
Yeah. Ozibo. I'm so happy.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
Ipitago kweo.
Ipitago.
Ipilo chika.
Good day, sir. My son. Are you looking for someone?
Yes, I want to see Mazi Bekwe.
I hope there's no problem.
No, sir, there is no problem at all. I want to see him for an important discussion.
And you are?
My name is Jeffrey Ogogwa from Ugwani village in this community.
Amazi Bekwe. Ibekwe Wakanja Naro.
It's an honor, sir.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you, sir.
Come in.
Thank you very much, sir.
Next week, he will be coming with his people to collect a list for the bride price.
So fast?
Ozubone gonna ekwu. Yeah, ego pasa, ego na ekwu. So no delay at all. I will tell the traditional marriage lists. Akwakobezi onodu.
Have you?
Yeah.
So how are you planning it? Because I know you very well. You have big eyes. You will go for the best. I know you very well.
Are you?
You
think is this rubbish? If I want to make
don't
yeah. Now which one is don't start? When I came for your own marriage, did I chew even cola nut?
You did not want
There's none. It was not even enough. Because in my own, you will eat chicken laps, eat fried rice. So what if you mainly for because money is talking. You even go home with some. So like I was saying, I have contracted a professional wedding planner. My wedding dress, you see, she even not like if she country or you see Malaysia where but wedding dress. Yeah. I was the bridal train more 10 fire. My ashepi, ashebi's. So that day, come and eat, come and drink. This village get shake. They will know that this summer is wedding. Talk of the town. Yes.
All these things you have just mentioned. Are you planning to finish that man's money in just a wedding? Just a wedding, a one-day ceremony?
Amara.
Cherokwa. Ask her.
You called my once in a lifetime ceremony just.
And you could get it.
It's a one-day thing now.
You have big eyes too much. Cut down.
It's my wedding once in a lifetime. And as for money, don't stop panicking. You know why you're so. It's my 1 in a million ceremony once in a lifetime. So I will do it to my taste. Oh, bodaga man is your man and my wedding. Oh, it's a shit. Hey, happy time, friend. Be happy for me. I'm happy tango. Happy tango. Happy tango. Happy tango. Happy tango. No. Mama, hey. When I was coming back, I saw Omalecha motor in front of our house. Onye Bubia.
Oh, come on, one young man like that, but I don't know him.
What is it?
I'm telling you, that I'm seeing and I will not be able to cook. Because there's no Ogilindengega. Eh?
I finished it the last time I prepared bitter leaf soup.
And you didn't even bother to tell anyone. How come you got in?
I forgot. Ofe bitter leaf, they need plenty of gifts. I finished it that day.
The painful thing is that I went to the market today and I didn't bother to buy. You now have to go and buy it yourself.
Oh, let me go to Mama Kitchen and buy.
Because I take money from my bag.
Okay.
All right. I'm not so. I'm going to check what case you prefer.
Thank you for everything. Thank you so much. You don't need to bother. Greet your parents for me. Eh? Yes, my dear. Please,
Papa.
Sorry, Papa, please manage this one. Manage? My son, did you say manage? Hey, this is where go now. So each of you first time anointing, eh? Hey, God will bless you. Amen,
amen, sir.
God will bless you 10 times 9 a day.
Amen.
Hey,
amen.
Eh? Thank you very much.
It's alright, Papa.
Hey,
I will take my leave.
Chai.
Maybe I'll see you people later.
Look, eh? Who your man? Eh? Come whenever you wish. Yes, my dear. Thank you so much, eh? Hey!
Let me help you.
Wait here!
Who is he?
He's my friend.
Your friend?
Anytime you see money,
your friend?
Yes.
Your friend gave you this in Mupwego. And he came with that fine
Do you know how intimate we are? Eh?
He came with the fine big cow.
I know him better than you do, so you don't need to tell me anything about him. Eh? Anytime you see money, I thought you were going out.
I'm going out. I just came in and I saw some fine car. My papa, you're counting it slow. How
I count it is not a problem. The important thing is to know how much he has given me. Hey.
I will see. You know some. Give me some. I will see. Papa. Hey.
Okay, now, What's up? Amore.
No, I was just thinking aloud.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Who was the guy that came in? That left?
Okay, the young man. His name is Jeffrey from Ugwan village. So he came seeking Isioma's hand in marriage.
Hey, one after the other.
Yes. You know, when you have quality merchandise,
yes,
you attract quality customers. Come on, because she will only marry one person at a time.
But you said it's now quality merchandise.
That is it.
So what did you tell him?
Well, I told him to come back next week.
Yes. Why? Why did you tell him to come back? You just told him that she's not available. She's engaged or something.
No, you don't do things like that. Don't be blunt to people, especially in matters of emotion, love, and marriage. That was why I told him to come back next week. Obviously,
wise man. Oh, Kucha inwe kiji we pichikom no mwazi. You remember? Those days we used to go under the palm tree.
Yeah.
Ah, Mama, you didn't tell me.
I'm telling you. Do you know one day the snake said, he left me there and ran for his dear life.
You have not forgotten.
But you know, he used to tell me love stories. He used to sing love songs to me.
Yes.
Like, if you remember one. Make me your number one. Nzazage, help me to sing myself.
We were wonderful. Yeah. We were actually wonderful. But old age has taken part of the brain. That's the problem.
Romantic.
Yes, that's the problem.
We need to teach them now.
That's why I keep telling these younger ones to learn family ethics.
Yeah.
Yes. But most of them are not ready to learn. Amolelu, amoleala, faderamota. That's the problem. You know, but at our own time, we were that docile. Very docile, yes.
Please don't shy away, yeah? I need you to be my girl. Be my dream.
Mama, I want to wait. Let me help myself.
Uncle, come here, Bellamy, and I'll thank him, Bellamy.
Mama, I want to tell you something.
What is it?
Oh, my God, Jeff.
What about Jeff?
Mama, I have decided to accept his proposal.
What did you just say?
Jeff,
ha! Oh! So you want to accept Jeff's proposal? Then you forget the wedding coming up with Nzube? It won't know Nzube boot like that.
What I want is what is best for me. I know me. In fact, as it stands now, what I feel for Jeff is stronger than what I feel for Nzube. So I will go for Jeff.
So Wadiro, you go and tell your father now.
Ma, that's the reason I'm telling you, so that you help me and talk to Papa. You know how best to approach and talk to him.
Mama, talk to your father and tell him what? So that he will insult me and call me selfish and stupid. Nah, on night go and tell him yourself.
Mama, you don't understand. Even the Kuna Jeff Kajidem, he is richer than Nzube. Upon Nzube na 5 naira. Jeff will bring 100 naira. Good money will be free. What I want is the poverty upon and this our family. Because
but like I said, you see the way you're trying to convince me. Go and convince your father. Mama,
No good though. No good. When the money will start coming now, you'll be the one to enjoy it more. Now I'm telling you to tell Papa. You don't want to.
Why are you telling me yourself or your father? You want to put this family into trouble. After go one can no feel like go ni suani, I'm not gonna arrest them for what? They go delay. Nonsense.
Hello, darling. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Sweetheart, there's a little development.
My love, what is it?
No, it's nothing serious. Just that our marriage introduction will be put on hold for now.
For real? What is going on?
It's not something we'll discuss on the phone.
My dear, I have gone far with this preparation. And you just want me to put it on hold without a reason to them. I'm worried. And I want to know what is going on. If it's this serious, your father supposed to call me. At least he's a man and he should understand this better.
Oh yes, my father is supposed to call and tell you what the situation is. But the reason he's not doing that is best known to him. Alright, my love. I love you so much and take very good care of yourself.
I love you too. I'll call you later.
Bye. Mother, ya fute ebe a na-echi ọzọ gaba ebe a na-alụ agwụ. Mba.
Isioma, how could you? What has come over you? How can you just call your already proposed marriage off just like that without a second thought? The same you that was singing praises about Nzube, now Nzube brought him mad. Isioma Ogene, why are you doing this? Why are you behaving selfish and childish? Why? What has come over you? Ego.
Money has come over me. That is the only language I hear. Yes. Because Madonna rap eba na echi ozo gaba eba na alu agwu. As it stands now, Nzube is now eba na alu agwu. My Jeff was eba na echi ozo. Jeff is the ish kita. Yes, Jeff was my picochin chin. I only want to alleviate poverty from myself and my family. That is it. So I don't care what anybody talks or says about him. I don't care. It is my life. In fact, can I go now? I'm in love with Jeff. I love him. I'm in love with him.
Hey! Love! Jay, did she just say love? What's it called? Not love. It's the love.
I bought $1 million on my dear.
Do you know what love is? All you hear and understand is money. Ego. Obviously, Jeffrey is richer than Nzube. Now you want to throw away everything about Nzube into the sea. Isioma, think about it very well, oh. Not all that glitter are gold. Don't say I didn't tell you as a friend.
I've heard. Advisor. Mrs. Advisor. Advise yourself well first before you be advised. Like I said before, I don't care what you or anybody thinks or says about it. I don't care. It is my life. And I will live it to the fullest. I will live it how I want it. Jeff was no. Jeff was my picochin chin. You gotta go? Yes, I've
think about this thing, no. It's about think about this thing you're about doing.
If you have cola nut, bring, let me eat. If you don't have anything, let me go.
Yes, sit down.
I hope all is well.
Nzube called me, asking why I postponed his visit with his people for Isioma's traditional marriage rites. I told him I was busy, that I would get back to him. So this girl has the guts to go to this extent without my consent.
I don't know why she wants to paint this family black. Honestly. I don't know what her problem
is.
is.
It's obvious she doesn't know what she is doing. Ne, why? Woman, talk to your daughter.
I have spoken to her. But she says she doesn't love Nzube anymore. She keeps crying every night and she's been begging me to talk to you. Yes. She says she doesn't love him anymore. She doesn't want to marry him. What am I supposed to do now?
Don't make me believe you are part of this rubbish. I consented to her union with Nzube. It's okay to go back on my word.
Nah, we're in this together. All of us are involved. It's not a question of eating. What do you want me to do? She says she doesn't love Nzube anymore. That she will not marry him. If you force her to marry Nzube, if well, she's our only daughter and I would not want to lose her. Look, I am a woman and I understand what she's going through. Children at that age, they get confused when it comes to issues of marriage. You can't force her to go and marry him just because we agreed. No, I'm losing her.
Isioma, you want to make me look like a con man. This is the height of prodigal rascality. I will not take it from you. I'm going to collect your bride price from Nzube.
Papa, Mama, Papa, please, you can't do this to me, please. I don't love Nzube. I should be with somebody I love. Don't you want me to be happy in my marriage? You've always told me how in love you are with my mother. Bikonu, Papa, please. I don't love him, please.
That's true.
Isioma,
Papa.
Are you sure this is what you want?
Yes, Papa. He's the love of my life, my final bus stop. Love of my life. Final bus stop.
Is this your final answer?
Say you know a final bus stop. Yes, sir.
Final answer.
Yes, sir.
This is your final answer.
Papa, say you know a final bus stop. Final. bus stop.
Adam, I consent.
Thank you. Mama, thank you. Hey! Mama! Now I'm happy. Thank you, Papa. I'm so happy. In fact, come back one.
Make me your number one. Help me to sing my song. Hey, how do you?
Don't remind me what I had forgotten. Anyway, I will call Nzube and talk things over with him on phone. Yes.
That would be good. Thank you.
Isioma, are you sure this is what you want?
Yes, Papa. He's the love of my life, my final bus stop. Love of my life. Final bus stop.
Is this your final answer?
Say you know a final bus stop. Yes, sir.
Final answer.
Yes, sir.
This is your final answer.
Papa, say you know a final bus stop. Final bus stop.
Adam, I consent.
Thank you. Mama, thank you. Hey! Mama! Now I'm happy.
So, Tochi, what was the outcome?
I talked to Isioma. I tried all I could to make her understand. But her mind is made up. Hey, Nzube, please, try and understand her and move on. She's in love with someone else. I see no reason beating a dead cat. Biko, I am sorry things turn out this way. I am so sorry. Getting married to a woman who doesn't love you is the worst mistake any man can do. Nzube, you're a nice person. You will see a lady that will die for you, that will love you for who you are, not Isioma.
Just that I love her so much.
I understand.
It's okay. Such is life.
Your love is the best. You mean the world to me. Your love is the best. You are all I want. My dream come true. Your love is so real. You mean everything.
Thank you, madam.
Let me get your stuff. That is for you.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, darling.
Thank you. I had a nice time and thanks for everything. I appreciate it.
It's okay. It's okay. You see, you deserve more than anything I give you.
Thank you. I love you so much.
I love you too, okay? You take good care of yourself, okay?
And you too.
Very good. Let me start going.
Alright.
I love sweet love, no one else can do, 'cause I love you. I love
Bye. Mama! Papa! Mama! Jeff is the best man. Hey! I had fun today. He took me to lots of exciting places. Yum treats. He shopped for me too. Are you serious? Hey! And guess what? I bought some things for you. This one is for you. Come back and this wrapper. Hey! Even designer handbag. Thank you so much. And for remembering your mother. I don't need to thank me. You're a good, in fact, you're a wonderful mother. If you hadn't trained me well, would I try somebody like Jeff? But some daughters will not do what you're doing for me. Eh? Oh, you're foolish ones. I'm not like that. Anyway, thank you all the same. You're welcome. And by the way, I hope you bought something for your family. I didn't buy anything. Like you would see. Okay, you need to do something. I have a bottle of wine. I'll give it to him. Better. I won't want him to carry my handbag. Because, hey, this is really nice. Yes. I want to talk ice cream. Ice cream, not done. This one is a kissing. And he went to one, he took me to one garden like that. Garden? Mama, vegetables? Oh, garden in Kubo. Garden like lover's garden. Flower, janglova. I'm going to move from there. Oh, yeah, how can you? Wow. You're just old school. You got that? Oh, we used to do our own under the palm tree. Have you forgotten our song? Make me your number one. Help me to sing my song. Good day, sir.
Good day. It is obvious you are coming back from the market.
Yes.
Yes. I don't know why you decided to trek. If you don't mind, can I take you to wherever you're going?
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. Well, my house is not far from here.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I am just trying to be a gentleman, please. Alright? Please. Don't say no to my request. Let me drop you off. Huh? Please. Come on in.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me, what's your pretty... Hi.
Good day, sir.
Good day. It is obvious you are coming back from the market.
Yes.
Yes. I don't know why you decided to trek. If you don't mind, can I take you to wherever you're going?
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. Well, my house is not far from here.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I am just trying to be a gentleman, please.
Alright? Please, don't say no to my request. Let me drop you off. Huh? Please. Come on in.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me, more than 5 years. Yes, I've been in and out. Okay. Yes.
Here is okay. Yes.
Yes, fine?
Yes, fine.
That place?
Yes, that's my house.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, I just want to ask you, has anyone told you you're beautiful?
You're handsome too.
Thank you. If you don't mind, can I come see you sometime?
Of course you can come.
Alright.
That is my house. Thank you very much.
So,
have a nice day.
You're welcome. Oh, that's very weird. Damn. Hi.
Papa.
Yes, my dear.
I came to tell you that I'll be coming with my people next week for the marriage introduction.
My son, it's okay. It's okay, but you need to tell me the specific day so that I can reach out to my people and also some other people who need to be at the ceremony.
Okay, sir. I will communicate with my people, then I'll get back to you on the particular day it will be.
It's alright, it's alright. How are your parents?
They are very fine.
Oh, good.
And how is Mama?
Mama is okay. She went to do some akajaja. Akajaja na ebuta onu manu. I mean farm work. Yes.
It's okay. I will. When I get to my place, I will communicate with you.
It's alright, my son. There's no problem.
It's okay, sir.
We are ready for you.
It's okay. I will take my leave.
It's alright, my dear.
When am I going to see you again?
Don't worry about that. I must communicate with you. Okay?
I miss you, babe.
Me too. Let's be good take good care of yourself, okay?
And you too.
I'll see you soon.
Alright, bye. Welcome.
Thank you.
Let me get a seat.
No, don't worry. I'll just go straight to the point.
Okay.
Where are your parents?
They left early this morning.
Okay, that's fine.
Out, yes.
Well, Isioma, I just want to have a talk with you.
Sorry, forgive my manners. What will I offer you?
No, don't worry, Isioma. Don't stress yourself. Very soon you will know what I want you to offer me. For now, I'm fine.
Okay.
The truth is, I want to know you more.
Okay, there's nothing much to know about me. My name is Isioma, like I told you before.
Okay.
I came from the family of 4. My parents, my brother, and myself. And I didn't attend university. I'm just a local village girl.
Well, I will disagree with that because I see you as a very pretty queen. From what I have seen so far, you appear to me like you're very caring and smart. Yes, and that's why I'm here. You see, since the last time I saw you, I have not been able to get a picture of you out of my mind. You know, there's this feeling that I'm having. I just feel like I am not complete. A part of me is missing. And that's why I'm here. I want you to complete me. Make me a complete man. So that's if you know what I mean.
If I understand you correctly, don't you think it's too sudden? I mean, we barely know each other. We met a few days ago.
I know. But like the saying goes, a journey to 1,000 miles begins with a step. And that's the step I am taking right now. Listen, if you look into my eyes, you see this fire that is burning. I am for real. I want you to look at me very well. Observe my emotions. You will see that I'm not joking. I mean well for you. Just let me into your world and have no fear, please. Try and understand what I am saying. I am not here to mess around. I am not here to come and ask you because I just want any kind of relationship. Huh? I am not that kind of guy that will just come ask you out because he wants to sleep with you or have sex. No, that's not why I'm here. I am talking something very serious. Something that will be everlasting.
What are you saying?
What I am saying is, please be my wife. Marry me. Listen, I want you to be my wife. I will take care of you. I will make sure I make you a complete woman. I am for real. My intentions for you are very good. I am serious. All I need from you is just to say yes to my proposal. Say yes and let me change your world. I will rock your world. Eh? Listen, anything you want, God has done it for me. This kind of example, somebody say, it's sure for me. I am the example of it's sure for me. I am okay. You understand? They don't just call me Burger for nothing. I am very okay and I want to transfer everything to you. Babe, I will worship you. I will treat you like a queen. I will lick all your ear. I will lick every. Now she's smiling. Baby, I will do more than that. Listen, I've not even started with you and you are laughing like this. I will change your world. Look at me now, baby. I know you're seeing all my blings. You're acting like you're not seeing. Yeah, I'm pure 24, 38 karat gold. If I can have this and be rocking, what will I not do for you? You will be the envy of all in this village. Trust me now, baby. Eh? I am not just talking. I'll be talking, I do. I do things. Baby, I'll finish you. You can call me all your money, big money, large money, money, big money, any money. Baby, come on, you need money. I need to spark up your life. Is that it? Is that it? This is where your hand is moving. Like you're counting money, baby. You can only count that money if you say yes.
Isioma, you can't do this again. Eh? What has come over you? Can you let me make it? Do you know that this thing can result into something serious? Eh? Have you ever sit and thought of what people would say? Okay. Even these guys that you have been dumping, have you ever thought about their feelings? Have you ever thought about it? Isioma?
Yeah.
Oh, Nembiko. Biko, I never knew you to be this heartless. I beg you. In fact, go and tell this new guy that you are married. Why?
Because I'm not married. Therefore, I don't know what your problem is. In our I have followed the moving train. Melvin Buzebano. Yes.
Isioma, with this reply means you've already made up your mind.
Uzubono. Yeah. I only wanted the best for me and my family. And the Melvin, my mama, Buzebano. Okay. Okay, quick, I want to say,
someone who did this to you.
You know, I've always talked about Omoshia countries. All those Uzube and Jeff was a mistake. Kita kachuku wetelo money in Kem. Usishia, Malaysia, where bada.
Mr. Mabiko, tell me you are joking. Tell me this is not serious. Tell me you are joking, Biko. I beg you, just tell me this is a dream.
Hey, well,
get
my phone. I'll take my Melvin and Apple.
You said you wanted to discuss something with me.
Must I sleep off before we start? Mama, I want to tell you that I don't want to marry Jeff again.
What did you just say?
Yes. I have found a better man. A man that came from abroad. He loves me so much and he's ready to marry me as soon as possible.
Are you crazy? Papa Goyi.
Have you gone Coco? Bonk as your guy, can't go. Eh? What I am saying is that I discovered that Jeff is a ball. What I can settle 2 years ago. What can chicken change if that is car, eh? Melvin boys that is the car they used to run around. Melvin Bebano. Melvin name for ye fake. Share country goes a point. Oh Jesus, dollars.
You have gone too far, Jeff. To start thinking of going back.
Yeah, gone too far. Which far? He has not paid my bride price. I'm going too far. But when you go abroad, imagine me like this in an aeroplane, Java abroad, Indonesia. Mama, I can't pick up on somebody. I can't pick up on what people can walk. Look at you. You will come there and come and do a moga. Get on the Chane car. You know, Susan, we can do a chat. Think about it now. Get I pick up something up a picture.
I didn't know your madness would start like this.
Whatever Jeff spent on me, on this family, Melvin will give it to him times 10. Oh, I had currency in dollars. Hey! Dollars. Hi. Melvin name me for ye fit. If you see him say, if I are one get a cabota, go sell a chabi. Hey, I go, okay?
You're welcome.
Yes, ma. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay, now Biko, make sure you come back early.
I will,
eh?
I will.
And Gewa, you know the road is not good, so just drive slowly.
Sure.
Ima is my treasure you're carrying.
This time about the problem.
your cloth is torn.
No, Mama, it's designers. You know when you have too much money, you just wear anything.
You just wear anything.
That's what's up.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Mama, let me be on my
All right. Hi.
Bye.
Yeah, bye, man.
Bye. Hi, designer.
Yes. Yes, I am doing very well. How you doing?
Darling, I'm so sorry. Yes, I went to the farm with my mother. That's why I couldn't get me on the phone because there was no network. By the way, sweetheart, I got the alert of the money you sent to me.
Yes, you should know that I love you so much and I'm ready to do anything for you.
Baby, that was too much. You are spoiling me, silly.
No, it's nothing. I just gave you that money so that you can buy yourself some new clothes, have a change of hair. Yes.
I love you so much.
Yes, I'll be going out of town for 1 or 2 businesses.
Really? Why in such a hurry?
No, I don't intend to spend too much time. I'll just...
Okay. Sweetheart, I'm going to miss you.
It's alright. I love you so much.
I love you so much. I can't wait to see you again.
Alright, take care of yourself. Bye.
Bye. Kiss, kiss.
Your love is the best. You meant the world to me. Your love is the best.
My dear, if I tell you that I'm not tired of Isioma, our friend, then I'm lying. I'm just so tired of that girl. Why is she so wicked? Turning men around as if she's Queen Elizabeth or a daughter of a senator. Eh? Ifeoma, kedu ihe na-aṅụrụ ọgwụ n'isi ọwụwa onye ọzọ? Why are you talking as if you are just knowing Isioma? This has been her problem from childhood. Her problem is indecision. She does not know what she wants. Ofu white or say ofu black or say Isioma marry for cholo. She does not know what she wants. That's not true. That is not true. I don't see her problem as indecision. Greed. Isioma is greedy. Why we should behave that way? Turning men around. What is wrong with her? I'm just so tired of her as a friend. I'm just so tired of her. My dear, let's just condone her. All we owe her as friends is to tolerate her. Let's just keep encouraging her until whatever on her pick will manifest. Let's keep our fingers crossed and watch her. Let's watch the film she wants to act now. This is the 8th person. She will still change her mind. Don't bother yourself, Biko. Let's tired of her. What is my
Yeah, sugar, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow. So where are your parents?
They are inside.
Alright, let's go in.
You look good.
Thank you.
In-law. A casual in-law for that matter. No, I'm happy to have you in my family. This is the list my kinsman said I should give you for the traditional marriage rites.
Okay. All right, very well, Papa. No problem. Yes, no problem. Papa, you see, the thing is, I'll be traveling back to Indonesia. So when I come back, I will come with my people so that we can do the marriage rites and the white wedding proper.
Hey! Indonesia?
Yes, Indonesia.
Hey! You see, I was told that in Indonesia, whatever you want, you phone their president and they will bring it. Even if you want to drive any kind of car you want to drive, just phone the president and they will bring it. Whatever you want to eat, the same thing.
That's true.
Hey, but our own
You're right.
Oh my God.
That's why they call us the Indonesia burgers.
Indonesia again?
Burgers.
Chineke mere mas. Indonesia burgers.
Yes, yeah.
What does it mean, burger?
When you're a burger, you have so much money.
Chineke mere mas.
Is it? That say in Jakarta.
Yes,
Jakarta. Jakarta is in Indonesia.
Hey. You see, after this wedding, you are taking me to Jakarta. Let me go and Jakarta eat there.
Nah, you take us now.
I'm going with my missus. All of us are going to Jakarta with you.
No problem.
Hey, I'm so blessed to have somebody like you. Chineke mere mas. So how is business generally?
But try to thank God for everything. We are trying our best.
Yes,
everywhere soft.
I'm happy to have you as part of my family.
Thank you for
Hey, my God. Well, it's all right. My prayer now is that God should take you safely to Indonesia and Jakarta and bring you back to this Obodeji Aka Etiake in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you very much.
Oh, my dear.
Your love is the best.
Hey, so this is it. Yes. You're finally going to travel.
Yes. Please, my son. Drive JJ. Safely.
I will.
Yes.
And please, when you get to Indonesia, you buy me human hair. Mama. Indonesia hair.
Mama, that's a small thing.
You know that one?
The long one.
Yes. I will show them at the meeting.
I will. Papa, Mama, I thought about it and I said it would not be fair for me to leave the village just like that. I mean, I can't have the love of my life roaming around the village.
Hey, you want to take me along with you?
Calm down. Don't worry. So I decided to bring this small gift. Mama, here is the car key.
Huh?
Yes.
Motor?
Yes, I know it will take time for you to learn how to drive, so I decided to get you a driver. He will move you around.
Motor?
Where you want to go. So please enjoy the small gift. Have 1 minute, please.
Car key! Motor!
Car key! Mama, pick up a go! Hey! Mama, pick up a go!
This is for you.
Driver, Chineki! Hey! Phone in a carton.
I would have loved to join in this celebration. Yes. You see, I need to blush. As the man of the house, please use this. I want you to change it and take care of the family. Change it, eh?
I Papa, leave it for let's celebrate. So that those young girls will not take the money. Clean army yogurt. Yes. See, your wireless imagination, man. Dollars. Why not? Dollars. Never. They're driving. Imagine now. Let's enter the car. Open the door.
No, this is the guy on that seat.
Shallow.
This is the guy on that seat. Go to the other side.
Let's enter this car with
This is the guy on that seat now. Papa, leave
this door now. You just take my enter from that side. Can you go to this? I you go to the over there and I be go. Increase the music to the highest. Increase music to the highest. Let me go and show my mates. Come go from the mouth. Give her now. She not there. What you want? Yes. What is the music?